Navigate to Route 53 and select Hosting Zone. Here, we shall create a hosting zone to manage DNS setting and obtain the necessary name server value for configuration. Add the domain name and in the tag section, create a new tag with application as the key and your website domain name as a value. Then click on Create Hosting Zone. Now, the hosting zone is created with the default route value. Navigate to your domain provider's website and update the DNS setting with the name server values obtained from Route 53. To do this, in domain setting, select Manage DNS and then click on Name Servers. Instead of using the default name servers, choose to change them by selecting I will use my own name servers. Next, go to Route 53 and copy all 4 Route 53 name server records. Return to your domain provider's website and update the name server with this value one by one. It's time to obtain an HTTPS certificate for the website's domain name. Navigate to the Certificate Manager service and click on Request a Certificate. Keep the default option Public Certificate selected and click Next. Enter the domain name for which you are requesting the certificate. In the tag section, create a new tag with application as the key and the website domain as the value. Click Request. After refreshing the screen, wait a few minutes for the certificate to be verified. While waiting, create a type CNAME record in Route 53 from the Certificate Manager to validate domain ownership. Click on the certificate ID and proceed to create records in Route 53. This will include a CNAME entry in Route 53. Click on Create Record. Check the status. It's still showing as a pending verification. Let's go to Route 53. Select your hosting zone and confirm CNAME entry is available. Return to the Certificate Manager to verify the status. It's now shown as issued. Note that renewal eligibility may take a few days to become active. Now that we have requested the SSL certificate, let's update the certificate in CloudFront to ensure secure HTTP communication between the CloudFront distribution and the end user accessing the website. Navigate to CloudFront distribution setting. Add the alternate domain name with your domain name. Under Custom SSL Certificate, select the certificate you requested, then click Save Changes to apply the update. Now let's move to Route 53 and choose your hosting zone to create a type A record to route traffic to the CloudFront distribution. Within your hosting zone, select Create Record, enable alias and choose the endpoint alias to CloudFront distribution. Then select your CloudFront URL for the distribution. After creating the record, you can verify that they are now available. Now that everything seems to be correctly configured, let's browse the URL to verify website accessibility. Hooray! The website loaded successfully. Now, let's navigate to the page Services, Gallery, and Contact Us pages. everything worked as expected. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more content like this. Do you have any question or need more detail about any step mentioned? Drop your question in comment below. I will make sure to reply and help you out.